Everybody, if you hear some snoring, that is my cat. I am Leslie. You can call me Les. I help service professionals and their teams to eliminate one of the biggest time sucks: finding information and gaining context. What if you're doing all the right things? You're just using too many platforms to do it. Imagine one place where your work is housed that would eliminate the extra Excel, Word type of work. One place that is an interconnected platform. What does that mean? That means no more information silos. That means that you will be no longer held to understanding some confusing folder structure. Because of platforms like Notion, you also don't struggle with the lost momentum from all the information being on in one person's head or on one person's computer. We'll get work done faster. We'll be able to be more confident in what's happening in our business and what to do next. This isn't some platform that is doing the work for you. It's enabling you to connect your ideas and connect your plans and work to each other so that you can eliminate doing things more than once, find things way easier. In my life, I take less than 1 minute to find any piece of work. And what's better than eliminating wasted time and misunderstanding and frustration because of it? The options will present themselves. Your options for what to do next in your business will be able to present themselves because you have everything in one place. You can see the trends, you can see the pattern, you can figure out what your 80 and your 20 are and double down on what's working and decide what to no longer do because it's misaligned with your business. Who am I? I have spent my 10 plus years career running programs in marketing and product, launching all sorts of things to enable sales, enable customers, all the above. I've had many users and many teammates in this process. And so, with that experience, I am telling you that not only is planning super helpful and getting that information into one central place to get everyone humming in the same tune helpful, but also that this is Notion is one of the best platforms to accomplish all of that. So, if you're interested in getting started, reach out to me and sign up for a $200 discovery call where we'll start plotting out the path to getting you using Notion in less than 2 weeks, getting you used to this new way of working quickly so that you can gain back momentum in your business and never waste time just searching for information and memorizing a folder structure ever again. I hope to see you there.